Who's ball? Black?
Let's get ready. 5 seconds to shoot. Five seconds to shoot. Hey, Bray.
Stop clock ba pag ano, free throw? Pag free throw. Stop clock. Running time guys.
Five seconds to shoot. 3, 2.
Ano dun eh? Nag-start na yun, di ba?
Galing na siya dito eh.
Ba't pinasa eh? Sige. Pag free throw.
90%!
Okay. Okay.
Look, you know this dance?
Asa post mo rin eh. Oo, tinira eh. Oo, ano yung paso naman yung sa atong ball?
Reset na kalak sa'yo. Kala ko nga din.
Tinira naman si Porsat Plus eh.
Nag-reset kasi.
Lagay mo sa 8 seconds. 8 seconds.
Ano yun?
Click mo muna, tapos post mo sa 8.
Tinira, gawa ng, di ba nag-eye pa nga ako, bakit 5 seconds? Okay.
Oo, yan. 8 seconds.
5 seconds to shoot.
Reset na.
5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2. Good yan, good yan, good yan. Five seconds to shoot. Tumira. Patibag pa to dress. Thinks about it. Are you gonna shoot? Tumira nga. Hindi lumap. Bra. Harap with the ball. 3 balls. 5 seconds to shoot. Nice, or 9 seconds to shoot. Thank God. Patibag with the ball. Passes to Mo. Mo takes the ball. Shoots. Tumira. Hindi. Lumabas. Rami with the rebound. Brian with the ball. Shoots. Does it go in? Yes, it does. Lock with the ball. Robert with the ball. Shoots. Does it go in? Yes. No. Brian with the ball. Shoots. Does it shoot? Does it go in? Nope. It goes out. Para with. Oh my God! You almost saved it. Move with the ball. Shoots. Does it go in? Nope. Brian with the rebound. Passes to Karam. Karam dribbles. Asking for a screen. Nope. He drives. Does it go in? Yeah. Oh my. Move with the ball. Does he shoot? Yes, he does. Does he go in? Nope, he doesn't. Karam with the rebound. Bill pulls out. Brian thinks about it. Is he gonna shoot? Yes, he does. Does he go in? Nope, he doesn't. Move gets the rebound. Robert. Dribble drive. Oh! Okay, Brian with the rebound. Dribbles the ball out. Does he shoot? Yes, he does again. What is it, Rick? Foul? Shooting foul? Blocking foul? Second free throw. Brian. Pasok ba? Yes, papasok yan. Ay, pumasok. Robert with the drive. Oh, what a drive! Brian dribbles the ball. Thinks about it. Is he gonna shoot? Nope. He passes to Rami. What a handoff! Oh, what a play! Nice play. Katibak with the ball. Thinks about it. Is he gonna shoot? Yes, he does. Shoot again. Oh, nice one. Rami gets the ball. Passes to Brian. Brian shoots again. Oh my God. Tirahan ng tres. Palitan ng tres. Robert dribbles the ball. Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Passes to Muno. Air ball. Brian dribbles the ball. Does he shoot? Yes, it goes again. No. What a ay, sayang par. Robert with the ball. Dribbles up. Passes to who is he going to shoot? Does he go in? Nope, he does not. Oh, taps the ball to Rami. Rami dribbles the ball out. Rami shoots. Is he going to shoot? Does he go in? Yes, it does! 2 points, 2 points. Katibak. Brian dribbles the ball. Robert, does he go in? Nope, he doesn't. Karam dribbles the ball out. Passes to Rami. Are you going to hit? 2 for 2! No! Sayang! Grabe naman ang mata ni Rep. As in, tulis. Ay, matulis ng mata. Matulis din sa cheeks. Brian has the ball. As for the screen. No, dribbles out. What a step back. Does it go in? Nope. Yes, it does. 2 points. Mo dribbles the ball out. Lahara has Karamon Wilson. Oh, what a pop! Yan kasi, magulang eh. Karam has the ball. Passes to Brian. Brian shoots. Does it go in? Yes, it does. Oh my God, nag-iinit na ang kamay! Time out! Five minutes and 50 seconds to play. Ay, tapos na pala?
21 na.
Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko, 10 minutes lang.
Come. We deserve this picture.